Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this guide, I'll show you how can you run and install APK files in Windows 10. Now to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So there are a couple of different ways to do it but then I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to use it So you could actually use an Android emulator called BlueStacks. So for that, you have to make sure to install it first of all. So open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in BlueStacks. And once you do it or when you open it up, you want to click the link and then you want to click on download for PC, or you could just click on download and install the applications or run the installation. Once it is installed, open up the file location and then you want to run the installation. Click on run. Once you've actually done it, so what next you have to do is simply you need to go ahead and make sure to install or log in to your Google Play Store. And once you've actually done it, so there you might be able to install a lot more APK version than you might think. So you just have to make sure to install BlueStacks. So you just have to make sure to sign in, or just have to make sure to type in the prompt correctly, and you'll be able to run or install APK file in Windows. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.